episode of CSS. We have been learning CSS position. So in continuation to that, the last position that we have in CSS is position sticky. Okay, let me give you a very good example of why we need sticky, and then we'll get into what exactly sticky does or when do we use sticky. Fine. So here I'm in a template stellar. Let me scroll the document a bit just to show you how exactly sticky works. Yeah, so you might have seen a lot of use cases of sticky, but now you can actually correlate, yeah, that is being done using sticky, which is a missing thing, right? Yeah, so you would have observed this pattern. Let me show you first. Okay, let me scroll once again. Observe, observe carefully now what happens as soon as this rectangle touches the top. Yes, yeah, your observation is correct. This menu items, introduction, first section, second section, right? So this is getting sticked. Okay, so this is getting stick. So today, so we'll understand how we can do this, yeah, using CSS position sticky. Yeah, just like other position, sticky is also one of the position in technique which can be used for positioning the element, positioning out of its normal flow. So we call it positioned. We want to have a position just to move that element somewhere else than where it is actually placed within the document. Within the document, it might be somewhere here, but what if I want it to be on the top, right? That's why we have been learning CSS positions. Okay, let us see an example. Yeah, we'll see that in practice. So I have a document here. Yeah, so I have a document. So let me show you. So yeah, just for getting some scroll, I've added some couple of paragraphs with big text of lorem ipsum, and yeah. So okay, so what I've done, I've taken one element here. Yeah, looks like a similar menu bar what we just saw. Now here I've added one of the link called home. Now let me just show you. Yeah, so you see I don't see anything sticky. So let's take this as an example to make this a sticky uh, element. Yeah, so we'll see how to use sticky so that this particular navbar becomes like a sticky navbar. All right. Yeah, so we'll see that how it's working. So yeah, this is a div element which actually I'm looking to make it sticky. Yeah, so within this paragraph, so yeah, this is somewhere within the card. Yeah, okay, so let me apply a position value. How do you apply position value? So I'm using inline style. Yeah, so we say position sticky. Yeah, sticky is the value. Then yeah, uh, we'll have to yeah give a position, I mean the alignment where it should place. Okay, let me give top 0. Yeah, so I'll explain what exactly top 0 here in this. Okay, I've just applied position sticky and I've just made top 0 for this element, which is the box which is in like red border, right? um, so generally then there is a overlap. Let me apply some background color also. Yeah, background color, I'll say yeah, aqua. Okay, so we applied some background color, we have applied position sticky, and then we have put top 0 for the element we want to stick. Let me show you what happens now. Yeah, yes, we see a different color. So my styles are applied. Let me see what is happening. Do you see the effect now? Do you see the effect? Yes, yes. Okay, so we were able to implement exactly like what we saw in this example, just with 3 lines of CSS code. Yeah, so this is how we can actually use position sticky. Okay, so this is one behavior, like how does it work. Okay, so let me show you another behavior. For that I'll try to modify the HTML a bit. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll close this div, right here, just to make sure that, okay, just to make sure that, you know, that element actually kind of sits in scroll. Okay, maybe not here. Maybe I'll just put it after this first paragraph because the element is not in scroll. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. This is enough. Okay. Now I'll add another paragraph of text. Lorem. I'll say 100 words. Let me just reload it. Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So now you see what is happening. This is another behavior how sticky works. Okay. So with this example, we'll be able to fully understand how sticky works. See, I'm scrolling now. Yeah, I'm scrolling now, and you see that yes, it is ticked. It is ticked. It is going now. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. Another behavior. It actually sticks. Yeah, sticky element sticks where we have given. I mean, where we are trying to position, which is like top 0. Yeah, when when its parent element is in the scrolling, the div. Okay, so here the card element, which is actually parent of the sticky element. Yeah, this is my sticky element. Okay, so this is in scroll. So as long as that element is in scroll, then it will become stick. So it is sticking. But once that element, goes out of scroll, you see, it is not now like sticky. Okay, yeah. So we saw the behavior of sticky. So now let me come to the actual, theory of how sticky works. So in practice, sticky position works between two positions that we have already studied, relative as well as fixed. So it has two behavior. One is like relative, another one is fixed. Yeah, and this is how it works. Okay, so it will be like a relative position element if the parent is not in scroll. Yeah, if the parent element is, I am not scrolling. Okay, user is not scrolling that parent element, or that particular element is not in the scroll, then it is like a relative. Let's say the parent element is in scroll, then we can see it is fixed, position fixed. Yeah, so that is what we are able to kind of exhibit both the behavior. Now it is exhibiting. Yeah, so now it is relative because why? Though it does not stick to the top. Reason, parent is not in scroll. Now parent comes into the scroll. See, now parent is getting scrolled, right? Yes. Okay, as soon as the scroll gets over, again it goes back to its initial position. Okay, that is why we don't see it stick to the top. Yeah, so sticking is like kind of, it behaves like fixed. Yeah, that's why, that's what is fixed, right? So when you say fixed, what we have understood, it is positioning with respect to the viewport. Yeah, it will start positioning with respect to viewport, and that happens when its parent element is in scroll. Otherwise it's just like relative. All right, so this is a use case. Yeah, rarely we come across this particular use case. Yeah, yeah, but this is a position. So, okay.